City Mouse and the Country Mouse.
She looks so sad in the cage. But I take good care of her. Mintu, luxuries with no peace and freedom are useless. How so? Just as it was for that country mouse over there.
Once there was a country mouse living in farm on the countryside. He freely enjoyed playing and running around the farm and rested in his spacious and humble home in a corner. One day, his best friend, the city mouse, arrived from the city to see the country mouse.
Oh, welcome. Let me show you farm.
They both enjoyed playing and sneaking around the farm all day. Later, the country mouse served the city mouse with a humble meal of acorns and wheat stalks.
So, this is what you eat every day. I mean, it's all good, but you should see the luxuries and comforts of the city life.
The city mouse bragged about the comforts and luxuries of the city. The country mouse listened with much amusement. Finally, the city mouse soon returned to the city.
Bye! See you soon!
After a few days, impressed with the bragging of the city life, the country mouse set out to the city to see the city mouse. On reaching the city, the country mouse found itself lost in the city with tall buildings filled with noise and dust. Finally, it reached the city mouse's house. The city mouse led the country mouse into a tiny hole in a corner of a big room, so tiny that the two could barely fit in. Seeing the country mouse hungry, the city mouse says,
Hungry? Come, let's eat.
So they both sneaked out of the hole onto a big table filled with a variety of food. Just as they barely began to eat, the room was filled with noise, and the people of the house swarmed into the room for lunch. Seeing them in, they both ran quickly down the table and hid in a corner.
The family is having dinner. Let's wait.
After some time, they both sneaked out again to have at least the leftovers on the table. Just as they approached the table, the housekeeper cleared all the food and leftovers. Alas, they decided to try their luck in the kitchen. But on their way, they were greeted by a big and ferocious cat.
Where are you two going?
Terrified, they both ran outside the house for their lives and ended up sneaking into the garbage bins. Sadly, they found themselves spending the night in the garbage bins, fearing the ferocious cat and the people of the house.
Okay, not all days are like this. You see, don't worry, we might be lucky tomorrow.
But the country mouse said,
It's all right. And thanks for hosting me. But I miss my home at the farm. Good luck with your city life.
So the country mouse bade goodbye to the city mouse and the city. And it soon reached its home at the farm. Home, my sweet home. Home is where your heart is. So, what use are luxuries without freedom and peace of mind? First things first, right?
Here you go, lovely one. Enjoy your freedom.